All right, on the bench is the parts for a damaged and also non-functional bobbin winder. This is a bobbin winder from the Riccar RZ 777S, and when it appeared on my bench, the shaft here was completely missing any drive tire on it and was seized solid. So with heat and a little bit of time and a bit of work, I was able to pull this out and clean it. And I'm going to polish this and clean it a little bit more because it's still a teeny bit sticky when I put it through this here. But for a winding tire wheel, I'm gonna do a bit of surgery from this. Is a winder off of a Singer from Brazil. The winder has the plastic tire pressed onto this shaft here, and then it stands up. So I tapped gently on the post to get this tire off, and this hub is just a press fit onto my other shaft here. So with a little more polishing and cleaning, I'm going to get a C-clamp and we'll press this new tire in place to a spot where I think it, or this new hub in place to a spot where I think it'll run very nicely, and then I'm going to pin it onto the bottom of this shaft. Alright, I tapped this plastic hub to start it, and then we'll turn this around, I guess. And, oh, I'm not going to end up with enough room, I don't think. So I'm carefully pressing this on, but I think I'm going to... Yep. The post came up even before I got that pressed all the way on there. I did not get that measured. So I'm going to have to get a new plan. This will do nicely. Set my wrench up so there's a space, and I'll just tap this with our soft mallet, and I think I got that on far enough, and it's still turning, and the shaft moves vertically a teeny tiny bit. So now I'm going to grab a roll pin and a drill, and I'm going to just drill through the center and put a pin in it. Drilled a hole, trimmed a pin for the length of the hole to just push in there, and the purpose of this pin is to just hold the hub here from sliding down the shaft. So it doesn't have to be super tight fit or anything, it just has to hold the hub, and then a drive tire will keep it in place. And I think, given the dimensions inside the machine, that this should work just fine, but we'll see as we install it. Unfortunately, I had nothing to work with on the bottom of that post, so it's all guesswork on this repair. This is the top of that Riccar. You can see these plastic teeth here. Those are the drive teeth on the inside of the hand wheel. And the bobbin winder sets in place here with a pair of Phillips screws. So I'm gonna set those in place. One, and the second one is a little bit underneath the bracket there on the end. Can I get it to thread it? Nope. Well, to get that second one in a moment. Right now I'm just doing a test fit to see. So I've centered the other screw hole and I made this okay, and this spins. Alright, that should work. I will we'll get that other screw in, and that should be a good fix on this machine. This is a cam machine, so, and unfortunately it did not come with a zigzag cam, so can't do much more than get this bobbin winder working and give it a straight stitch test.